Each one is like $3 or $4. Sorry. 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 I am Ben. I'm sorry about the burp. That's just Twitter. Sorry about the burps. Not drinking any more Coke. Coke makes me burp so much. Oh, nice. Sorry, you guys. So sorry. I apologize. Sorry. No. And
Alinity.
Hey, Phase Dan. How are you? Thanks for the bits. And sorry for the burp, yo. Sorry. Sorry. The burp made you become a fan? Oh, hi, Cartman. Nice.
How are you today?
Pretty good. I forgot. This is why I don't chew gum. It gives me gas. I like swallow the air or something. Seriously, it always gives me gas. And it's not like nice gas, like when you get gas from like drinking Coke. No, it's like fucking nasty gas. I don't like that. Come on, go. I'm so sorry.